Hello, Cetha Winberg here, your ITRT, and today I wanted to show you how you can take control of your password. Has it ever happened to you that you go to type in your password and you've forgotten it? Just don't know it. I swear that's what it is, but it's not working. Well, normally what you'd have to do is you would have to go and call the service desk and get them to reset your password. But what I want to show you today is a way that you can preemptively set up a password recovery, and then if it ever happens to you down the line, you've got it and you can reset it yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my.rvaschools.net. Okay, I'm going to go there. And so now, you have to do all of this when you know your password, because you have to be able to log into this site. If you've already forgotten your password, this isn't going to help you. But log in now using what you know as your password. Okay, and then do go. All right, so now I've got this profile here, but I don't care about any of this for what I'm going to do. Go over here to profiles, and we want to update. You see it says change password. We don't want to do that. We want to update the challenge responses. So click on that at the top. And now you've got some questions that you can answer, just like on other websites where you can set up some security questions to answer in order to reset your password. This is the exact same thing. So the two red starred ones are required, and then you can choose from any of the others that are listed there. So it's not a tremendous variety, but pick 3 that you want to use. So the first one you have to do is your mother's maiden name, and then you have to do the city you're born in. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, and then I'm going to do the pet one. And now I'll do save. Okay, so now those challenge responses are completed. And so now I can log out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch views, and I'm going to show you what that's going to look like the next time you need to reset your password because you've forgotten it.
Okay, now that we have set up our security questions in Rapid Identity, if I go to log into a computer, notice over here I have forgot my password. So normally I would log in here, but those times when you go in and it's just not accepting your password, you can go back here to forgot my password, and now it'll say Rapid Identity, reset password, do the arrow, and now it's going to ask you those security questions. So hopefully you still remember your username. That's your Active Directory name. And now, all right, these were the questions that it had asked me. So now I need to type them in, and you need to make sure that you remember it. Okay, I'll do next. And ta-da, I can change my password. So it's that easy. I can do it myself. I don't have to bother the help desk, and saves me a lot of time. So definitely worth your while to set up your account in Rapid Identity for that time when you just can't remember your password. Remember, when you set up your password, you need to have at least 8 characters, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, punctuation, something like that. Something that is not really a word is really the best, most secure password, but make sure you at least meet those minimum criteria. All right, now I have changed my password, and I can click here to log on with the new password. And now I'll be in. Just remember to make sure you remember that password. It won't let you do the same password twice, so you always need to change it somehow. Okay, so I've gotten into my computer, I've changed the password. I now have to remember that when you go into your email, it may take up to 30 minutes for that to trickle down to your email. You'll probably be able to get into Aspen right away, but your email may take a little bit of time, so just be patient with it. Don't try to get in with your old password because it'll give you a message that you recently changed it. So just be patient, give it about 30 minutes, and you'll be good to go. All right, I hope that video helped, and check with your ITRT if you have any questions.